Hey, welcome back to Speak Like This. I'm Niki, your English coach. Let's crush workplace English. In 12 minutes, you'll master 5 phrases that make you sound professional, confident, and absolutely impressive to any boss. Picture this. You're in a meeting, you have a great idea, but you say, "I think maybe we should," and everyone ignores you. Instead, say, "I'd like to propose we increase our social media budget by 20%. Notice how this sounds? Confident, professional, like leadership material. Use this for suggestions, changes, or new ideas. It shows initiative without being pushy. Practice with me. I'd like to propose. Now add your own idea.